she can't complain about anything to me. Her silence is beautiful.
We're back, mga kabukol. My voice is back. So, 2 days I don't have my voice. Kevin, are you happy?
No.
When my voice...
Yeah.
When my voice...
Hindi.
Why are you not happy when my voice is back?
Because she talks too much and I need to be back quiet. No, I'm just playing, everybody. I love my wife. I love her when she talks. I'm just joking. Just joking.
So, ngayong araw na to ay April 3, Saturday. Thursday tsaka Friday na wala yung boses ko. I-upload ko yung videos na ginawa ko nung nawala yung boses ko. Ngayon nga hindi ko masyadong I don't need to force my voice so that I will totally get healed. Nagkaroon kasi ako ng laryngitis ba yun? O pharyngitis. Basta Thursday night, namamaga yung ano ko, yung lalamunan ko kasi yung weather dito biglang baba, biglang lumamig. Sobra ang lamig. Tapos uminom pa ako ng Tiva na sa Starbucks na malamig. Kasi nung bago bumagsak yung weather, mainit. So uminom ako, hindi sana yung lalamunan ko pag umiinom ng malamig. So ayun, ayoko munang i-force yung boses ko kasi parang medyo nararamdaman ko na medyo meron pang konting malat. Enjoy nyo muna yung ginawa kong video habang kami ay nagsa-sign language. Nakakatawa, tawa siya ng tawa. So enjoy nyo muna, panoorin nyo muna. I will be back soon. Papahinga ko lang yung aking boses. Papunta kami ngayon sa Walmart. Meron kaming mga bibilin. Nasa road na kami. Ang sama ng katawan ko, mga kabukol. Nawala yung boses ko. Kahapon masakit yung lalamunan ko. Tapos ngayon nawala. Di ako ganong nakatulog kagabi. Ito yung text ni Abby. Paparating pa lang siya. Gusto kong kumain sa Korean restaurant. Bawal tayo magsalita. So, magsa-sign language tayo. April to ngayon. Sabi ng doktor ko, ipahinga ko daw yung boses ko. Antok ka daw natulog kagabi. So, talk to you later.
Yes, hello everyone. This is Kevin. And of course, you know my beautiful, lovely wife, Laura. Unfortunately, Laura appears to have some, I guess the best way I could describe it, laryngitis, shall I say? I think I pronounced that right. Well, she can't talk much. Her voice is very hoarse, so the voice muscles are irritated and swollen. And I am getting ready to take her to a Korean restaurant so we can have some Korean food, barbecue, and that's basically about it. So come along. I can't talk. I got a scratchy throat. I love my wife. I love my wife. They got the T's. They got to learn sign language. I feel bad for my wife. However, I love her. Medium well?
Okay.
Excellent. Okay. Hey everyone, this is Laura working her skills at Korean barbecue. She's cutting the chicken. You can see that the food is very good. You got kimchi, coleslaw, onions, you got your green salad. So Laura's becoming a resident expert. Korean barbecue. That's how you do it.
We are doing sign language.
Yeah, we're trying to do sign language because my beloved wife's voice is not where it should be. So that's the reason why I'm talking, everyone. Continue to tell everybody about her channel, and see you later. Bye, love.